Hello, blessed souls. So let's see what's in the cards today. Let's take out a card. Beautiful, accelerated motion. So I feel it as a growth. I feel it is you. This is you who's looking at the growth happening in your life, and you're happy with the growth. You're happy with how things are moving, and I see all these stars shining happily over there. So I feel time has come for you to grow. Time has come for you to move forward in life and be happy in life, and to accept everything in a very positive and an abundant way, that things are moving really really good in your favor and things are actually going as planned. So let's see one more card. Maybe let's pull one more card. Beautiful. I don't see yourself as sacrificing today. I feel as if whatever this movements has come is because of all the sacrifice you've done. Because if you see the card closer, the lady has sacrificed, but she's happy and she knows whatever she has done for a beautiful, beautiful cause, and she's very happy. She or he is very happy, and they feel yes, whatever it is, they have achieved it. So I have been having my wisdom of the Avalon card, so I'm just pulling a card from there. So again, another beautiful card has come, moment. So don't worry, even Master Merlin is saying that movement is all yours. Life is not going to be stagnant, life is not going to stop anymore, it's going to keep moving forward. So I love my Merlin, and I know Merlin always gives me the most positive message when the time comes. So keep moving forward. I'm sure things are coming beautifully in your favor, and growth is all ahead in your life. Good luck to you all, and have a great day.